It's currently 9 in the morning and I have an impressions appointment this morning. I don't know if you guys watched my last daily vlog, but I was trying to do the impressions and then it wasn't fitting. So they had to order me bigger ones, which they came in the mail. So that's at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna make a coffee real quick. Have my coffee. So I've actually been up for a couple hours since like 7:30. It's almost 10 right now. And I have an appointment with New Smile to do my impressions. If you guys watched my last vlog, I attempted to get them done, but the trays were a little too small. So they ended up sending me bigger ones, which are these ones here. And then they also sent me some more putty to work with. So hopefully this time it goes well. So I think I showed you guys in the last vlog that I uploaded, and this is the kit that it came in. It comes with a guide here, and then it also just comes with this little timeline layout. I'm gonna get online right now because I have to get this done. Also, I don't know if you guys caught that. I ruined my laptop screen. Can you guys see? It's totally scratched.
Hi Kisha, how are you?
Hi, good, thank you. Okay, you too, bye. I have so much tissue from drooling. I got all my impressions done. Anyways, I'm going to be packing them up. They sent me a return label, so I'm probably gonna stop by the post office today and get this sent out because I do wanna get these done. I'm going to just work on my laptop a little bit. So when people write in different languages on my videos, I actually take the time out to go translate it, and then sometimes I'll like reply, or sometimes I'll just give it a like. But if you guys are watching this and you speak a different language that I haven't actually posted a translation of, then let me know in the comments down below. I wanna know what languages you guys speak so that I can make sure to have those subtitles in for you guys. I'm heading upstairs to my room now. Sorry, my camera's not focusing right now. I think it's a little dry right here from my acne cream. My doctor recommended that to me, so I use Tacomio pump. I've been using it for like a couple years now. I don't know, this area is super dry, so I'm just gonna add this little strip over here. Hopefully it can take care of that little bump there because it's kind of bothering me and it looks like it wants to, you know, exit. This is the V7 by Kaposi. I'm just gonna go over my hair with a straightener because it's kind of frizzy. I don't even think I told you guys what I'm doing today, but I'm gonna be going downtown. I'm gonna go to the gym with Chelsea and we're gonna go do a little workout. We haven't been to this gym before, so we're gonna do that, and then right after we're gonna go on some bikes. Oh, I think my mom's calling. Hold on.
Hey babe, what you doing?
So I just straightened my hair. I'm gonna go downstairs and do some dishes and clean up a little bit. I have a lot here. There's just too much now, so it's a little overboard. So I'm gonna listen to some music. Okay, so I just put on my humidifier. This is from LACIDOLL or LACIDOLL. I don't actually know how to pronounce it, but essentially humidifiers are just good for airflow, just to keep some moisture in the air. Humidifiers are also gonna help you with any dryness on your skin and your throat. This is really good during the flu season because it will help ease your cold or, you know, flu-like symptoms. So it comes with this remote. There's 3 different mist levels. I just have it on level 2. I feel like that's the safest. And then right here, it shows you just how much water you put in there. I really like this one because it's super convenient. You can easily fill it at the top here. You can point this kind of wherever direction you want. I'll just put it right there for now. If you guys can hear the kids, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna put this on a 2-hour time limit here. I would have put this one in my room, but I have carpet and this is best on hardwood floors. I'll have everything linked down below if you guys are interested. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on for 2 hours and then I'm just gonna start getting ready. Okay, so I just quickly changed into some gym clothes and then I have my gym bag here. I also have just a little cooler and then another bag because I'm gonna be meeting up Chelsea and then we're gonna go to the beach. So it's currently 3:30 and I'm just waiting out here while she finishes getting ready. I brought the impressions in my car here, so I don't know if I'm gonna stop at the post office to drop this one off, but I have it here in case, so I might have time to do that. So we're gonna be driving downtown and then we're gonna go to one of the Club 16 locations there, just because I think it has like a lot of windows. It's near the water. I feel like it's gonna be kind of a nice little change. We both have a membership that goes to any location, so we're gonna do that. And then we decided to go biking afterwards. We're just gonna have a little girls' date. We're gonna watch the sunset. We don't know how much time we're gonna have because it's 3:30. I feel like it takes like an hour and a half to get down there and parking and all that stuff. And hopefully we catch the sunset, but we also want to relax on the beach for a bit. So I don't know how much we're gonna have time for. It's a Monday, so hopefully it's not too busy. Oh my God. The queen has arrived.
So much. I was like packing last night. I was like, where is this? All this
Say
stuff?
Hello.
Oh,
you look good. You look fresh.
We kind of looking the same.
You know what? I had a feeling you were gonna do the braid.
I was like, no.
I didn't do the braid because I didn't want to look like twins.
Oh,
well. So we just got downtown, but we're gonna go drive to a different parking spot because this one is like $23. We went to a different one last week and it was like $12. So we're gonna try to find that one again. We stayed a while, but also I think we were past 6. Turns out it's before 6 o'clock, so everything is gonna be $23. Right. So I mean, it's the same price, so we shouldn't have even moved. Now we're off to Club 16 now. Wait, are we doing legs? Well,
yeah.
Okay, I don't work out with anything else but
the legs.
Okay, we've made it. We're gonna start our workout now.
I'm not done.
Oh God. Okay, so we just finished at the gym. Now we're going back to the car and we just ordered, what did we order?
Birria tacos.
Yeah, so we got some birria tacos and then we're gonna have that. We're probably going to eat that before we get on the bikes because we're starving. Pretty much what we're doing. I love how we just ordered birria tacos to come right to the gym that we were just at. We're having a little appetizer, little appy moment.
Damn, he was carrying all this.
Took a little pit stop. Look, we have 2 bags and then I'm holding one as well.
3 bags.
Oh, sorry, we have 3 bags and I'm holding one as well. So we We ordered some birria tacos from Tacomio. They're so good. There's a bestie date right there. There's a bestie date right there. And then, oh my God, look at this, you guys. So good. Trying so hard to catch that sunset, but I'm literally so tired. Looks beautiful though. We're just gonna head back home. I'm gonna drop her off.
It's 9:41.
I will see you guys later.
Bye.
Guys, I just got some packages. I believe one is a little shoe rack for the front door area. I'm thinking to put over here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too big because the door does open and it comes, you know, backwards towards the wall. So I think I'm gonna get my dad to build that because he enjoys doing it. So, you know, I'm just gonna get him to do it. And then I'm gonna head to the gym, but I also wanted to drop off the impressions box that I have to send back. I probably won't film anything really. And then I'll show you guys what the entrance thing looks like. Maybe I'll film my dad building it or something. It's from Amazon. It's from the brand VIVOHOME, I think it's called. Did send that one to me. So I do want to show you guys what it looks like because I think it's supposed to be a really good piece. So I will make sure to have everything listed down below for you guys. You guys let me know if these videos are like entertaining for you guys. Kind of enjoy like adding the next day in, like a 2-day vlog kind of thing. So he's all finished. The camera actually died, so I didn't get a clip of him making the whole thing, but just the beginning of it, which is fine. But that is the finished look of it all. So I'm gonna try to put it at the front door. Hopefully it fits because it looks pretty wide here. So I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna fit. Also, my dad said it was super fun building it, so maybe it was just pretty easy. He did say it would be pretty easy. These are the instructions. They're pretty straightforward and it gives you all the tools for it. It is kind of heavy, so you might need an extra person. So this is the VIVOHOME 5-in-1 entryway hall tree. It's a shelf, a coat rack, a hanging rack, a bench, and of course you can store your shoes there. Honestly, I think it still looks better than what it looked like before with that little shoe rack. And the door's still open, so I'm thinking to put like a little bucket in the corner there, you know, for umbrellas or anything like that. I don't really want to turn on the lights here because it makes it really orange, and I want to show you guys kind of like what it looks like. And then I also opened my door. So this is kind of what I put on it right now. So I have some shoes there, and then I just hung up some jackets. I also have some reusable bags to take with me, so I just put them on the side there. I'm not really sure how I want to decorate this, but that is what we have going on right now. So I just moved upstairs because honestly, the lighting downstairs is really bad because I have like warm lighting. And when I have the lights on and no windows, it's just not good lighting. The instructions seem pretty straightforward and it came with everything that you needed. I love the way it looks. I feel like it definitely elevated the whole area there. So I'm really happy about that. I definitely need to sit when I put my high top Converse on. I don't know if I want to put a blanket or like mini pillows or something just to make it a little homey because it looks kind of bare right now, or if I want to kind of decorate a different way. But I definitely want to make use out of it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing that, I will have the link down below. It's from Amazon. You can get it off .ca.com. I will have the link down there if you guys are interested. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I think this is definitely starting to be a longer vlog. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.